Hello friends, how are you all? So friends, today I finally made the Bluetooth speaker which I have shown you in my last video. You can see it. You can see here are the two speakers. But in last video I have shown you third speaker also, but it was looking something odd in that. Now I will show you how its voice is very loud. You can see here are some glue sticks. In these lights are also fitted. You can see here also, and up there is glitter sheet of green color. Now I will show its voice also to you. You can see here is a switch and the charging port also. You can see. Now just second, I am connecting it with mobile. You can see it's coming 3.0 BT here. This one. This is the Bluetooth speaker. You can see it's connected now. Now I will show you the music. You can see the volume also.
Моя дикая Кассандра, игривая подраза, отмевала разум, убивала музыканта. Ты мне любили, я рядом был и верила, и горе я не видела. Моя дикая Кассандра, игривая подраза, отмевала разум, убивала музыканта. Ты мне любили, я рядом был и верила, и горе я не видела. Мария, ты дала мне я ты наш передушник, а ты не свои далее.
Friends, you can see its voice is so loud. Now I will show you how it charges. So friends, you can see this is the charging cable. It's the normal charging cable. Here is one micro USB, this one you can see. Now when I will plug it in this, you can see this red light is on, means the battery is charging. And in this I have used two laptop batteries and one 3.7 volt lithium acid battery. Also, total I have used 3 batteries for good. So friends, in this video, this much only. In next video, I will come with another project. Till then, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and till then, bye.